So bulk automation was started in 2018. So we started off just 4 of us, myself doing the engineering side of it and the design work with using SOLIDWORKS, and we've now grown. In 2026 we are up to 32 staff in total, and that includes owning our own manufacturing facility. Set up the business to provide end-of-line automation systems to the market. Primary focus on the aggregate industry, animal feed, fully automatic bagging equipment, palletizing, stretch holding, pallet wrappers, etc. So the way we work is we provide turnkey solutions for businesses throughout the UK and Ireland for their end-of-line needs.
Here at Bulk Automation, we're running SOLIDWORKS. As a company, we design everything in-house. So we design, manufacture, build. So it's all on one site here, which gives us full control of our product range. Very important for us as we're going from raw steel coming in at the front gate to having the end product roll out, that we have full control. We're using a lot of the 3DX package of file management. So we've got 3 draftsmen here, including myself. And with using the 3DX, we can have a model which can be pulled onto all 3 PCs at the same time. So we're working simultaneously on potentially 3 different setups, but we can utilize same parts across the board and make sure that we're all not interfering with each other by keeping the master copy up in the cloud on 3DX. Within SOLIDWORKS, being a fabrication heavy based company, we are utilizing a lot of the structural members tool and sheet metal. That's an essential part of the suite of SOLIDWORKS that we're using day in, day out to ensure that our fabricators cut the steel to the right length and get it welded together. And also that the sheet metal tool is feeding into our plasma cutting and laser cutting and ensuring we have accurate profiles to put together with the cut sections. E-drawings tool, that helps us maintain a fixed 3D model of the setup. So that's useful from the start point when we're quoting and getting the project from kickoff. Once we get the project over the line, we're moving on to using them 3D models in-house for our assembly and fabrication. We're also using some of the Visualize tools as well. So we're using Visualize a lot on the marketing side of the company, used for renders, for marketing materials and social media.
So SOLIDWORKS has been massive for us. It gives us the ability to prove concepts without having to prototype machinery in raw form. So we can design, build, see how a system's going to work before we even cut a piece of steel. It limits our cost output in terms of us proving equipment before we actually make it. It speaks for itself really in what it does. It's made massive time savings for us. We're looking at developing our own equipment further in the future and increasing the business size and turnover, and just SOLIDWORKS is a key tool for that.